Yeah, seriously, global warming. Yeah. I saw this video of these senators and these Congress people, pretty much Democrats, and they were talking about how, you know, it was back in 2002, they were talking about how the winters are really mild and, you know, and the climate is changing and, you know, we're dealing with a crisis. And I remember Senator Byrd, he was saying something to the tune of, you know, we only have one winter, you know, something's happening, you know, something's happening. And, you know, I come out here, all I see is white, white, white. I mean, this is what I got to shovel, okay? Oh, great. You know, global warming. I like how they changed it to climate change. You know, when they thought it was getting warmer, they said, well, you know, it's global warming, but we found out they were just playing around with the data anyway. They manipulated the data, and then when it started to get cold, they say, oh, well, it's climate change. Well, this is how I see it. Yes, there's climate change. There's always climate change. Planet is always going through cycles, but that doesn't necessarily mean that humans are creating this cycle, creating the changes. The planet warms, and then it cools down. It has ice ages, or whatever. For example, during the Middle Ages, we had a warming up period. Obviously, we didn't have a lot of factories then, so you can't really say it was carbon emission creating the increase in temperatures during that time. So, yes, there's always a change with the climate, but it's just a natural part of things. My theory for a lot of the climate change on this planet has to do with our source of energy. I think a lot of it has to do with the sun, the solar cycles, solar flares, solar activity. Look how thick this snow is. Not that thick, but look how deep it is. You know? We're gonna get more snow. It's still snowing. All right, let me get this van going. Yeah, this is part of the Michigan workout program. Dang, it's cold. There we go. Alright, so what are your thoughts on global warming?